Welcome to Automart Kitchener. Here is a look at another great vehicle available. This 2022 GMC Terrain comes equipped with driver convenience and safety package, power liftgate, engine block heater and all-wheel drive. For over half a century, Automart has been a name Canadians know and trust. Our promise has always been simple: to make car ownership accessible, stress-free, and rewarding. With Automart, you're not just buying a used car. You're becoming part of a legacy built on trust, quality, and a reputation that has stood the test of time. Come visit us today at 353 Manitou Drive in Kitchener, Ontario.